Welcome to Cityhabitat Golden Visa Greece Real Estate. Greek Golden Visa Program grants a 5-year residency visa in return for an investment in real estate with the lowest cost entry in European Union, minimum investment of only €250,000. Visit historical monuments and islands in Greece, date from all time periods. Famous for its ancient civilization and magical natural landscape, Greece, this Mediterranean country, has countless hidden gems to offer. Is widely known for its friendly atmosphere and the genuine hospitality of its people. Numerous visitors fall in love with it and return every year for one more vacation, making Greece the best invest in real estate properties country. Nikos Sepentzis, owner of Cityhabitat Golden Visa, has the biggest sales number on real estate in Greece. Sold a total of 901 properties in 22 years. Our experience and discretion in communicating with all parties in any agreement always achieve the best results for both parties. We are ready to assist you to sell or rent out your property, following highly effective modern sales methods. 8 out of 10 of our properties are currently selling in less than 30 days. Thanks for watching our agency presentation. You will find below contact information,